Hello everyone, let us start another program today. So program first I will explain program funda, and this is program number J9, average of 10 hex numbers. If you take any 10 hex numbers, we can able to find out average of that 10 hex number by writing simple program. So in this program basically if you want to find average of 10 hex numbers, the basic calculation we know that we should all add all the 10 numbers, and we have to that whatever we get sum that we have to divide by 10. So that is the basic thing we should have to do. So that can be done by by writing the program also will be divided by 10. And again in this program we have to use the higher byte and lower byte to store the result, because the result may big. So use count register, that is register to count the numbers, that is CL register. So this is the basic program. This is the basic funda for the program. So let us start writing the program in DOSBox and run. So let us start. First type edit space. As I already told that the program is J9, therefore J9.asm. Click on enter. I have already written this program. Simply I will go through the explanation so that you can understand better. So there is no need to write any other program again. So first is data segment org0h Mars. For example, if I take I scored the scored marks of my the you may take the scored marks, that is db 0 fnh 0 f2 f2 0 f3 up to 0 fah. Then org 10h, that is the result line what I have to find after that, after the executing the program. So Morse code higher byte and lower byte question mark, and org 20h 20h. Another thing is average. We have to find out. Main thing is average, and also Morse code, the sum of all the Morse code higher byte lower byte, and we have to divide by 10. Divide by 10. We should get that average. So then data ends. Start with the code segment. Assume CSS code. These are all fixed line. You know already. So then now part of the program, main part program start here. Move CL comma 10. So that is the count. How many what is that? If I take 10 subject, we have 10 for that 10 subject we are having marks of all the 10 subjects. So therefore CL10. So LESI, that is marks. So move AL comma 0 H comma 0 we have to make, because if we use higher byte and lower byte, we should have to make like this. So forget about, go back now and add AL comma SI. What is the meaning of this is we have to move one data from AL register, from the pointed the source index which is pointed Mars, and that has 1 FH, 2 FH, like that, F2H, like that. It will move one data from that Mars memory location to AL register. So it will add, not move, it will add. So after that, after adding, suddenly if I get carry, it will add here, add h comma 0. So if at all if I not get any carry, so it will jnc go down, means jump if no carry down. So if not carry is there, not carry is generated, it will go to down label. So it will again go for the next step, that is increment si. It will go for next Mars. So then decrement count, and it will come to 09, I can say. So after making one number, adding one number to that AL register, then JNZ go back. So if jump if non-zero, go back. So the count is 0 till become count 0, it will again go back here. If jump is 0, jump is non-zero, it will go back. If jump if non-zero, go back. So if count is not 0, means it will go back again here, and it will continue the same process till count becomes 0. If the count becomes 0, it will come here, that is age, it will be moved to higher byte. So the result from AL to move to Morse code, that is lower byte. Then we have to, main thing of this program is we have to find average. Therefore we have sum now. So after that we have to divide by 10, it will become average. So therefore move CL comma 10. So 10 is moved to CL register, then divided by CL. That is CL components are divided by AX components are divided by CL register, and the result will be in AX only. So therefore move AL comma average, average comma L means the result is moved to average. So this is the program. Okay, thank you. Now let us start run the program in DOSBox. So type MASM j9.asm semicolon, click on enter, and I have 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Then click type link space j9.obj semicolon, click on enter, and next step is debug step, debug space j9.exe. So click on enter again, and you get a slash and type u for unassemble. You have to find it for move h comma force line of that update address of that h comma force. Again I am not getting that, so again I have to type u. So now I am getting h comma force upset address is 29. Therefore I will type g is equal to 0 space 29. Click on enter. So the result will be in AX register. So I can say the result is, so I want to see the result in memory. So therefore I will type d space ds colon 0. So d space ds colon 0. Click on enter. So you can clearly see here. So you can see here that in first column, first row, we are seeing that clearly the given data, and second row we are getting the sum of all the data, and third row is the average of that all 10 numbers. Thank you everyone.